The AppyDave YouTube channel has over 330 videos. No searchable catalog, no categories, just a pile of content. We built a pipeline to fix that, and to prove it works, we ran it on a test batch of 5 videos first. 4 stages. Scripts and AI working together. One clean catalog.json at the end. Full editorial layout. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build this pipeline yourself. So any YouTube channel becomes a structured, filterable data source a website can actually read and use. I'm Alex. Let's get into it. So here's the stack. yt-dlp to pull the video list, bash scripts to grab thumbnails and captions, Claude code to run the AI agents, and Python to assemble everything into one clean catalog.json. 4 tools, 4 stages. Let's walk through each one. Stage 1. Pull the full video list from the channel. We ran yt-dlp against the AppyDave YouTube channel, and it returned every video. From that, we generated one folder per video, named using a slug plus the YouTube ID. For our test run, we got 5 folders. Clean structure from the start. And here's the part that matters. It's idempotent. Run it again. You get created equals 0, skipped equals 5. The pipeline knows what's already been done. No duplicates. No wasted work. When you run it on the full channel, same behavior, just at 330 scale. Stage 2. Fill those folders with data. A bash script looped through each video folder and downloaded 3 things: the thumbnail image, the VTT captions file straight from YouTube, and a cleaned plain text transcript. Stage 3. And this is where it gets interesting. 5 transcripts. We needed Claude to read each one and come back with 3 things: a transcript-based category, a transcript-based description, and a flag if it disagreed with what YouTube had already labeled the video. So we ran 5 Claude subagents in parallel. All 5 videos processed simultaneously. Each agent got its transcript, did the analysis, and wrote back its result. 4 of the 5 had wrong YouTube categories. Claude caught them all just from reading the actual transcript. YouTube's auto-tagging had misfiled them. The AI corrected it. Now, there was a fight to get here. Claude Workflows is gated behind 2 environment flags. Cloud, flaws equals 1, and Asmold Growthbook equals 1. You need both, or the feature simply doesn't appear. Once we had them set, the live dashboard rendered. You can see each agent running in real time. 5 rows, each one a video being read simultaneously. Stage 4, put it all together. Once the agents finished, we told Claude to save the results to a single JSON file, recatresults.json. That's the handoff point between Claude and the terminal. Claude thinks, writes the file, hands off to Python. A Python script then read that file and wrote each agent's output back into the correct video's meta.json. Once every video had its updated meta.json, one final Python script combined all 5 into a single catalog.json. Clean run, WRD equals 5, change equals 4. And because the pipeline is idempotent, you run it on the full 330 video channel the same way. It processes only what's new, skips everything else. Here's what makes this actually powerful. The pipeline is built from 2 completely different technologies, on purpose. Scripts do the boring work: fetching, tidying, assembling. Fast, free, no AI needed. Claude does the thinking work. Actually reading a transcript and deciding this video is about workflows, not just an AI tool review. Scripts can't do that. Claude can. Scripts feed Claude. Claude thinks. Scripts catch the output. That sandwich shape. Scripts, then AI, then scripts, is what makes the whole thing work. And the output has 3 layers of trust. Verified fields from YouTube directly: title, ID, duration, ground truth. Generated fields Claude wrote from the title alone: slug, category, description. And transcript grounded fields Claude wrote after reading. If you want the scripts, the AI workflows, and the full setup guide, join our community. It's called AI-TLDR. Link is in the bio. That's where we share the actual files. Drop a comment. What channel would you run this on first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.